Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a easy and simple beginner friendly nail art tutorial. So I filed off my last design and added a little cover of acrylic on it so I can cover up the encapsulated flowers that I have on my nail, and I filed it back up to make it look crisp again. And then I started on the design. I started with 3D roses, and the roses came out very cute. And I used my Pana 3D Calypso brush, but I did not like them at all, so I ended up filing them off. So I then moved on to my blooming gel design, and I just put the blooming gel down and do not cure it yet. Added in the gel polish and let it bloom, and then I cured it, and then I started on my French tip with my gel art liner brushes. And me personally, with French tips, I always start with a line in the middle, and then I bring up both the sides, and then I make the smile line, and then I fill it in with the wand of the actual polish, and it always comes out so crisp that way. And if you do have to clean up, I'll use my acetone to clean up and make it crisp if it wasn't crisp already. So here is me filing off those 3D flowers, because I told y'all it just didn't fit the design. They came out very cute, it just wasn't the design. So I filed it off, and then I added in another blooming gel finger. The texture on the textured French tips, I used the Marquardt rhinestone glue, and I put it on my liner brush, and I made sure there was a lot of it on my liner brush, so when I drag it, there's enough from start to finish. And then I start from the corners of the nails. Like, don't start in the middle of the nail. You have to start from all the way. You see me, I started all the way from the side of the nail and drug it down, and it'll make that clean line, and it won't be like just a blob if you start from the corner of the side of the nail. I don't know really how to describe it, but you can see what I'm doing and where I started my brush at, all the way in the corner, and drug it down with enough rhinestone glue on it to saturate from start to finish and make that, you know, crisp little line, make it so cute. And here is the final result, y'all. It came out so cute, and this is literally one of the most simple designs that don't look simple, but it's completely easy, simple, nothing to it. Like, seriously. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and come back for my next video. Bye.